Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add solid line border to shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add solid line border to a shape. Go to the Insert menu, then click Shapes option and choose a shape and draw it. Now I select these shapes and draw this shape. We click the shape and go to the Format menu. Then we want to add solid line border to the shapes. Click the shape outline and choose a solid color. Now I select the red color and you can see we added solid line border to this shape very easily. You can change the shape style. Click the style drop down menu and you can change the style or apply shape outline to solid color and add another effect like preset, shadow, reflection, glow, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.